Good morning, dear students. My name is Federer and I'm going to be your teacher for today. So let's start with the topic. This is the topic for today, places and asking for directions. By the end of this class, you will be able to identify the different places in the city, give directions to a specific location, recognize the prepositions of place, and discuss the difference between on and over. But first, we are going to practice with a warm-up. So we are going to answer these questions. How often do you ask for directions? In my case, I all the time ask for directions. I always do it because my city is really big and I don't know how to get to a very far place. But how about you? Tell me.
Hello, teacher. Well, in my case, I never ask for directions because I know where all the places are because it is a small town. In my case, I live in a big city, so there are many places and I don't know how to get to a specific restaurant, for example. So I ask for directions very often.
And now, do you know how to give directions?
Yeah, teacher. I guess we all know how to give directions, as long as we know the streets.
That's true. If we know the place where we live, we know how to get to a specific place and how to give directions to get there. Now, who can read this text?
Me, teacher, I want to read.
Okay.
Directions. When we travel to an unknown country, the most important thing is to ask for directions so as not to get lost. If you are in a country that speaks another language and you do not know how to communicate, it will probably be a useless help.
That's true. We all the time are trying to find places and we follow directions to get there. Now we're going to match some words to the context. For example, directions. You follow them to get to a specific place. Now with turn.
When you change your route, you can turn left and right.
Downtown.
It is the busiest place in a city.
GPS.
Global positioning system used to know the route.
Countryside.
There are farms and many types of animals.
And urban.
There are many buildings and businesses.
Now we're going to use those words to complete these sentences. For example, to get to my parents' business, I used GPS.
He gave us directions to the new museum. You can easily find work in the urban area. There were many animals in the countryside. I saw deer, birds, and bears. He doesn't like living downtown. He doesn't like noise. If you turned right, you will see a Chinese food restaurant.
Good job! All is okay. Now we're going to talk about places. In a city, there are many places and each one has a specific function. For example, a cinema. You go there to see movies. The bank, you keep your money there. Or school, the place where children go to study. So, what other places are there or can you visit in the city?
Other examples could be the church, the car wash, and university. Teacher, another could be the pharmacy, the place where you go to buy medicine.
Yes, there are too many places in a city. Now we're going to practice with this activity. We are going to choose the name according to a picture. So this is a park, this is a cafe, this is a library, a police station, a supermarket, a hospital, a museum, a hotel, a restaurant, and a cinema. Good job, all is okay. Now we're going to learn how to give directions. So can you read this first part of the chart?
Affirmative. Turn right, turn left, go straight and cross.
Now this second.
Negative. Don't turn right, don't turn left, don't go straight, don't cross.
Now this.
On your left, on your right, go back and go past.
So when we give directions, we use the imperative form because these are instructions. Instructions, yeah? For example, to get to the mall, turn right and go straight for 2 blocks and you will see it on your left. Go back 2 blocks and turn left. Walk 2 blocks and turn right. The hotel will be on your right. Now we're going to listen and practice with a conversation.
Hello, excuse me, could you help me? Sure. Could you tell me how can I get to the museum? Turn right and go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left, walk 2 blocks and the museum will be on your right. Thank you. And now how can I get to the post office? Turn right and turn left. Go straight for 2 blocks and turn left twice. The post office will be on your left.
Now we're going to read it. Hello, excuse me, could you help me?
Sure.
Could you tell me how can I get to the museum?
Turn right and go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left, walk 2 blocks, and the museum will be on your right.
Thank you. And now how can I get to the post office?
Turn right and turn left. Go straight for 2 blocks and turn left twice. The post office will be on your left.
Good job. Now we are going to give directions. For example, how can I get to the health center if I am in the gift shop? So you can turn left, go straight for 1 block, then you can turn right and go straight for 3 blocks. And the health center will be on your left in front of the Victoria Gardens. Now, how can I get to the football field if I am in the museum? Tell me.
Turn left, cross the street, and go straight for 1 block. Turn right and go straight for 2 blocks. Turn right and go straight for 2 blocks, turn left and it will be on your left, between the lake and the swimming pool.
Good job. Now, how do you get from your house to the hospital?
We go straight for 4 blocks and turn left. It will be next to a pharmacy.
It is pretty far. Now, who can read this text?
Prepositions of place. Prepositions of place are words that allows us to say exactly where things are located. They indicate the position of something in relation to the position of other things.
Okay, now, can you read this chart?
In indicates that one thing is inside another. On indicates that one thing is located in a higher area than another. Under indicates that one thing is located in an area lower than another. Next to indicates that a thing or place is close to another thing or place. Behind indicates that one thing is on the back of another. In front of indicates that one thing is in a place opposite to another. And between indicates that one thing or place is in the middle of two or more things or places.
Well, here we have some examples. The key is in my pocket, the ball is on the table, the paper is under the books, the mirror is next to the window, the cat is behind the box, the hospital is in front of the pharmacy, and the spoon is between the fork and the knife. So let's practice. What is in your bedroom? Where is that located? So tell me.
In my bedroom, there is a lamp on the nightstand. The bed is between my desk and the fan.
Okay, thank you for the examples. Now we are going to practice. So, where is the cat? The cat is here. Where is he? It's on the box. Where is the cat? It's between the boxes. Now it's under the box. It's in the box. It's in front of the box. It's next to the box. Then the police station is here. It is between the bank and the store. The movie theater is next to the drugstore. The car is in front of the house. The apple is on the book. The dog is next to the house. And the ball is under the table. Good job, all is okay. Now we are going to choose a situation and act it out using a role. So I'm going to be role A. So, excuse me, how can I get to the bus station?
Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn right and turn left and go straight for 1 block. It will be on your right in front of the restaurant.
Good. Now we have a grammar practice. We are going to learn a difference between two words. So who can read the chart?
On, when there is any type of contact between objects, and over, when something is on top, but there is no contact.
Okay, so here we have examples. The helicopter is on the building because it is parked there. So here we can see that it is touching the surface of the building. Now, the helicopter is over the building because it is floating there. So here we can see that it is not touching the surface. Now give me some examples about these type of words. So give me examples where you use them.
The bird is over the tree.
Yes, over.
The squirrel is on the branch. The plane is flying over the airport.
So good. Those were good examples. We use over and on. So now this is the end of the class. So nice to meet you and thanks for attending the class. See you next class. Bye bye.